Don't feel the pressure of poetry to sound like it's supposed to be in a certain way. Don't be afraid or ashamed like to allow your culture and other parts of you to really shine through. People may say certain things in your community or talk in a certain tone. Allow that to really express itself in your poem. You can even embrace that in parts of your poetry. Don't feel ashamed of your accent, where you're from. Be yourself. When you're reciting your poetry, you need to remember that your voice is an instrument. Choose moments to speed up or slow down. Allow the instrument to really shine through. Use a chorus or a line of repetition to help with your rhythm. We're not in a rush. No one's trying to run out of the room. When you're sharing your poem, your audience is there to really listen to you. So pace yourself. Don't be afraid to have pauses. Take your time.